Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to give you an update on the highways, the highway network in Jamaica. Now we're driving on the Maypen to Williamsfield leg of Highway 2000. This is the section that just opened recently, but we're going to give you an update on the entire highway network and how it will help tourism. Now, tourism is a major industry in Jamaica. Major industry. Millions of people come into Jamaica every day. Tourists, that is, to visit the island. And billions of US dollars are being spent to build hotels. And tourism is a major industry in Jamaica. So we're going to look at how the highways are going to boost tourism. So highway expansion to boost tourism opportunities. Minister of Tourism Honorable Edmund Bartlett speaks about developments in the tourism sector. Tourism Minister Honorable Edmund Bartlett says the development of the new highways across Jamaica will reduce travel time for tourists and increase opportunities within the sector. What we're going to have is a ring road around Jamaica that will be able to connect us, especially from the two airports. So anyone who comes to Jamaica can now, in 1 hour or 1.5 hours, find themselves in any one of the destinations across Jamaica that they want to go. Minister Bartlett said. He indicated that Jamaica will now have infrastructure for land and road communications, the likeness of which has never been seen before. Mr. Bartlett also noted Prime Minister the Most Honorable Andrew Holness' announcement regarding further expanding the road network into Negril, thereby significantly reducing travel time. He pointed out that the Montego Bay bypass, which is slated for construction, would enable persons to travel directly to Negril from Montego Bay without going through Lucy, Hopewell, and Sandy Bay, noting that changes the game. But it also opens up new corridors in the interior of the country for development and for tourist activity. So the single act of creating better access across the country now opens up huge economic opportunities that will create jobs and prosperity for Jamaican people, the minister added. Mr. Bartlett also highlighted gains from the recently opened Maypen to Williamsfield leg of the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. He noted that what that has done is to take off at least 15 minutes of driving time from Kingston to Mandeville. Mr. Bartlett further indicated the build-out of St. Thomas as a brand new tourism destination is being powered by the Southern Highway, the Southeastern Highway, which a Prime Minister will open soon. Alright guys, so that's the end of the article. So let us know what you think. Now, the first major highway to be built in Jamaica was Highway 2000. And it was with tourism in mind that highway was built. It was to connect both international airports and allow people to get to the tourist destinations easily and quickly. And it worked perfectly. So they are expanding the road network, and it's going to open up a lot more tourist attractions around Jamaica. A lot more. So I think it's an excellent idea, and they are moving along a bit slowly, but these things take time, and you have to also remember the environment you're in. And things take time in Jamaica to build out, because we've done videos saying the highway from Kingston to Montego Bay should have been finished already. But it has reached as far as Williamsfield now, and it's going to reach Montego Bay, and it's going to reach Negril. So, and if you notice, a lot is going on in Negril. A lot. It's definitely somewhere that a lot of progress is going on. All right, guys, let us know what you think about this article. You can leave your comments in the section below. I think it's a great idea, and you really have to love all the progress that's going on in Jamaica. And if tourism leads that progress, then great. On the north coast, they're going to expand the northern coastal highway between Montego Bay and Ocho Rios to 4 lanes. And there are so many hotels under construction just between Montego Bay and Ocho Rios. So if tourism leads the progress, no problem. All right, guys. Have a good day. Leave your comments in the section below.